So I'm going to discuss basically some cool insights and some elemental insights of what events are. So the range of events you can see starts from a small event in your home or in your colony or your community to the level you can see on the screen now. So what is event management? Many of us are aware of this, but let us go ahead with some basics. What is basically an event? Event is a live multimedia package where you learn how to identify and assess the right consumer insight. You carry out, you first do a customer research, you an activity with a preconceived concept that is customized or modified to meet the client's objectives of reaching out to the target audience by providing a complete sensual experience and an avenue for two-way interaction. So here it means that whether it is a sports event or a convention or an exhibition or a wedding for that matter, all of you must be very much into knowing about weddings because the future is going to be weddings and sports majorly apart from entertainment, concerts, and so on. So, it takes a lot of logistics and coordination to bring to life what is called an event. जैसे आपने देखा है यहाँ हम मल्टीमीडिया पैकेज की बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये कंप्लीट ग्राहक सेवा पर केंद्रित है ये इंडस्ट्री यू नो इसमें हम बहुत ज्यादा उत्पादन की काम करते हैं या ऑन साइट निष्पादन की काम करते हैं तो लॉट ऑफ executions, production related activities and logistics go into what is finally comes out to you as a package called the event. Now, if we look at the event industry, ये बहुत ही basic level पे आपको बताया जा रहा है. We are giving you a very basic insight, you know. You have to understand the scale of the industry before taking a deep dive into what this industry is all about. The scale starts with understanding what mega events are, what regional events are, what major events are. हम अलग तरीके से भी categorize कर सकते हैं, yes, but it is better to understand initially what event industry is like in terms of the scale of events. We have the mega events, which are the world's largest events. They cater to international markets. Then you have the regional events. Regional events बहुत अच्छा, they are positioned so well, that the events get repeated. That is an inherent characteristic of regional events. They get repeated at a specific time of the year or specific times in years and so on because of the demand and the public spending that happens for regional events as well. जैसे आपका बिहार की छठ पूजा हो गई, so a lot of examples you can cite from across India as well. Then major events because the importance that is being given to such events, like they attract a lot of visitor numbers and there's a lot of local interest also at the same time. जैसे आपका जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल हो गया है, कान फेस्टिवल हो गया, फेस्टिवल डे कान, और ये सारे ऐसे इवेंट्स जो हैं ये बहुत बड़े इवेंट्स हैं. दे कैन नॉट बी कॉल्ड मेगा इवेंट्स ऑफ दैट काइंड बट दे आर वेरी वेरी दे हैव अ वेरी डिस्टिंक्टिव काइंड ऑफ अपील एंड उनका भी फुटफॉल बहुत ज्यादा होता है. जैसे आपका फेस्टिवल डे कान तो इतना पॉपुलर है कि इट इज meant to celebrate, its goal is to celebrate international cinema. So we through Cannes festival, cinema is being promoted at a global level. That is the charm of major events. Then when you come to minor events are those events which happen around us. जैसे आपके डीलर्स कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हो गए, वेडिंग्स हो गए, टैलेंट हंट हो गया टीवी में, कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स हो गए, आपके लोकल रोड शोज हो गए हैं या इंटरस्टेट स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स हो गए हैं, मर्चेंडाइजिंग इवेंट्स हो गए हैं, शोज हैं, कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स हो गए हैं, फंड रेजर्स हो गए हैं. So all these are all kinds of retail events, they are mostly minor events because their scale is not to the level of mega or major events. Of course, we have something of a different genre called Hallmark events. So, the beauty of these events are that they are very, very special to the industry, and they are very different. Some of the regional events also become Hallmark events. Yeah, kind of events based on the scale. But इसी इन्हीं events के अंदर हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह के services ये events provide करते हैं, या we can even categorize them as social events, cultural events, entertainment events, personal events like weddings and so on. तो बेसिकली हमने यही पढ़ा है कि इवेंट एक लाइव मल्टीमीडिया पैकेज है, ये डेफिनेशन जो आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन में, which is carried out with a preconceived concept and is customized to achieve clients' objectives. They provide an avenue for two-way interaction. They happen in real time. It involves studying the intricacies of the brand. So when we try to conduct business event, you try to understand what the intricacies are of a brand. You try to do consumer survey. बेसिकली हम ये देखते हैं कि एक अच्छी एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग कंपनी जो है, इट इज ड्रिवन बाय आइडियाज। तो बहुत जरूरी है हमें कंज्यूमर्स के तह तक जाना, उनके बिहेवियर को समझना, सो दैट यू कैन देन लर्न टू कम अप विद एन आइडिया विच इज वेरी पावरफुल। तो एक बार कंपनी की टीम इस तरह की रिसर्च करती है कंज्यूमर्स पे और पता करती है कि कौन सा बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल और अहम होता है कंज्यूमर के लिए, उनके इंसाइट्स को समझने के बाद, then that integrated team, it brainstorms together and works on ideas to make this campaign successful, to meet the consumers objectives. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। Now, why are we studying event management? Events, like I said, have to be professionally managed for success. Events यूं ही नहीं हो जाते हैं। और history, since the advent of history, we are seeing that events are happening around us. So we need the right human resources with the requisite skills. And like I said, creativity and ideation are the key strengths of the industry. क्रिएटिविटी और आइडिएशन का मतलब ये होता है कि जब हम कोई आइडिया को कंसेप्चुलाइज करते हैं, तो हम उस आइडिया को क्लाइंट्स को पिच करते हैं, एंड इससे हम बिजनेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं क्लाइंट को। सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट। आपको कई लोगों ने बताया होगा, कई इंडस्ट्री के लोगों से मैं भी संपर्क में हूँ। वी हैव ऑल्सो वर्कड विथ इंडस्ट्री पीपल एंड वी नो दैट दे एक्सपेक्ट दैट you have to keep thinking out of the box, and this process of exploration keeps going on in your mind. So then you have youth employability, ये बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड में है इस वक्त भी। इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे एट्रिशन के रेट्स बढ़ गए हैं, लेकिन जब भी आप इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करना चाहेंगे तो आज के दिन दे एक्चुअली लुक एट समवन हु हैज कम विद अ पास्ट बैकग्राउंड ऑफ, who has knowledge of the way events happen and how they are conducted, and the who is updated on the event industry basically. So theoretical knowledge and conceptual understanding of this subject is very, very important. It is the need of the hour. That is why you are enrolled into an event management program, educational program. And the curricula needed is to offer learning and assessment opportunities for application of knowledge gain. आप सिर्फ थियोरी पढ़ के आप समझते हैं कि आप इवेंट मैनेजमेंट समझ गए। नो, इट्स नॉट द केस. Of course, you have to have some exposure to the way the industry functions, the way you work in an event management environment, the way you plan, ideate, execute, and right till the shutdown of the event. So that is very, very important. Now, if you come to the industry specific aspects, as to why you have to study event management. When you learn events and when you there in an event real time, you see that event provides touch and feel experience to the customer present at the event site. That's why it is called business of experiences, because every event brings in customized and innovative, I would say, first hand experiences. Every experience is unique, जरूर हर एक्सपीरियंस जो इवेंट का होता है वो यूनिक होता है। नो टू इवेंट्स आर द सेम। And every event is perishable also, क्योंकि events don't last through their entirety, they are just projects which are taken up and disposed of. Management of events is a service activity and requires specific skills. Portable skills get acquired to excel in any profession. And then, of course, events are economic and social drivers of cities, regions and nations. बहुत सारी economy जो है वो event से roll out होती है. Now, like I said, there are lots of opportunities in the organized and unorganized event segments. When you look at events from the perspective of services that they offer, you have intellectual properties. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property is that when the company's logo or work, is partially or completely owned by that particular company. Then you have corporate इवेंट्स एंड एमआईसी. ऑफ कोर्स इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज एग्जांपल्स हैं, जैसे महिंद्रा ब्लू है, सनबर्न है, आपने सबके बारे में सुना होगा. फिर कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स और एमआईसी है, which I've already spoken of. Social and cultural events, sports and entertainment. We have events which are very close to our hearts, जिनसे हम अपनी जिंदगी से भी जुड़े हुए होते हैं, जैसे बेबी शावर्स हो गए, वेडिंग्स हो गए, बर्थडे पार्टीज हो गए, फेस्टिवल्स हो गए, फेयर्स हो गए. डिजिटल इवेंट्स, मैनेज्ड इवेंट्स एंड एक्टिवेशंस. सो डिजिटल इवेंट्स में हम टेक्नोलॉजी का भी बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं, जैसे जो भी हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग है, स्मॉल स्केल से टू लार्ज स्केल एंड ऑल दैट. देन वी आल्सो ट्राई टू इंटीग्रेट लाइव एक्सपीरियंसेस इनटू अ डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डांस म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल्स हो जाते हैं, ईडीएम्स जो हो जाते हैं, उसमें हम डिजिटल को इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. डिजिटल ऑनलाइन फेस्टिवल्स हो जाते हैं. सो दैट इज व्हेन यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ creativity and technology to come together. These are going to be future trends also. Then you have rural and government events. Like I said, rural and government events में जो पुराने events हुआ करते थे, उनको हम एक नया रूप देके प्रमोट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आजकल इंडिया में. जैसे आपके गवर्नमेंट इवेंट्स जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर के होते हैं, साहित्य अकेडमी के इवेंट्स होते हैं, नारी चेतना प्रोग्राम हो गया, या जैसे गवर्नमेंट इवेंट्स में सूरत हो गया, सूरत स्मार्ट सिटी सर्विसेज, डिजिटल राजस्थान, मेक इन इंडिया, ई गवर्नेंस के प्रोग्राम्स हो गए, एग्जीबिशंस हो गए, ग्लोबल लेवल के एग्जीबिशंस हो जाते हैं, ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया दे आर हेल्ड. सो ऑल दीज इवेंट्स आर energizing world economies, and they are becoming employment generators for millions of youth and different sections of the society. So there is a study जो अर्नस्ट एंड यंग का व्हाइट पेपर है, उससे मैंने ये निकाला है, 2019 का है, इन विच दिस रिपोर्ट वाज गिवन फॉर डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स. उसमें आप देखेंगे कि ऑनलाइन गेमिंग हो गया, डिजिटल मीडिया हो गया, एनिमेशन हो गया, लाइव इवेंट्स का सिर्फ 15% स्टेक था. मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट सेक्टर ओवरऑल का 13.4% है, विच इज अ गुड जंप. सबको ओवरऑल देखते हुए हमें लगता है कि देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ इवेंट्स विच यू कैन सी ऑन द ग्राफ हियर. Now, the latest report of Ernst and Young tells us that जो इंडिया का इवेंट इंडस्ट्री है, that is about 16,000 plus crores. It employs more than 4 million people. These are just basic statistics which I'm reading to you so that you are aware of this as well. Another emerging market for experiences and events is intellectual properties, which I just mentioned. ये क्यों होता है? Because you are trying to bring out curated content. Curated मतलब जब हम customize करते हैं audience के लिए बहुत basic language में, that results in something you prepare specially and on a fixed time basis. Curated content. When they become successful, तो आप उसको intellectual properties में convert कर सकते हैं, because this is a successful brand of your company. Sponsored events have now evolved to become annual intellectual properties. तो sponsored events भी annual intellectual properties बन रहे हैं, which are designed with a synergistic approach for brands to engage with communities targeted by the intellectual properties and brands. Now, what is the scope of the event industry today? How are we going to determine the scope of the event industry today? They are critical marketing tools for direct communication. They try to help reinforce brand image of a product or service. Then events lead to creation of brand awareness. People start depending more on events. Then you have events अलग अलग किस्म के इवेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स हो गए, वर्चुअल कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स हो गए, वेडिंग्स हो गए, डेस्टिनेशन, दीज आर सम न्यू, a lot of new genre are coming up within these events which are mentioned here. A lot of emphasis is being laid by the government on sports events, and a lot of experiences different kinds like hybrid experiences are being, इस तरह के events जो हैं इनको बहुत ज्यादा तवज्जो भी दिया जा रहा है. So these are some more categorizations of events. Corporate में आपका आ जाएगा brand activation, employee engagement, milestone celebrations, annual job, incentivizing the staff members also. So such events are also held annually, and milestone celebrations of a particular company. Then intellectual properties you can see in performing arts, literary, regional, food and wine, live events आपके आ गए award shows, marathons, sports events. सोशल में आ गए आपके वेडिंग्स, बर्थडेज, एनिवर्सरीज, सेलिब्रेशंस. एग्जीबिशंस में आपके आ गए ट्रेड फेयर्स, एक्सपोज, कस्टमाइज्ड पेविलियंस, रिटेल डिस्प्लेस. ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ characterizing events. So there is no one way of categorizing events, but different ways of categorizing events. Then we have so this is the scope of the event industry today. These are the kind of opportunities that you may come across, you may be offered within an event company or a firm. Now, what are the key strengths of the event industry? The ability to get any event company is the ability to get things done in terms of conceptualizing, managing, executing, and I may even add in terms of cost effectiveness. Creativity and ideation, yeah, delivering cost effective solutions I just spoke of. Strong vendor based support, ability to manage cost. This is a core strength which all the sponsors and advertisers value the most. Ability to manage costs and ability to create intellectual properties and monetize them. There are a lot of business opportunities for organized and unorganized players. Organized तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, पर unorganized बहुत है. Now, what are the key challenges? So the quality of talent which is entering into the industry, where there is a dearth of desired skill sets and right qualifications. So event industry is also facing a lot of competition from other segments. So youth factor plays a very big role in delivering high quality events, which is why you're here, which is why you're learning this program. But again, the talent which is entering is very, very important. Like I said, there are broadly 4 verticals in an event company: client servicing, operations and planning, designing, production, and on-site execution. And these roles are not very straight-jacketed roles. You may have to perform a lot of other activities, even if you're a client servicing manager or a designer or a decor specialist and all that, or an operations manager. Now, how do you go about designing an event experience? So first of all, you'll conduct research to understand the expectations of a client, and then you create a customer profile. You then conceptualize the event. You assess the scope of the event required to meet the client's expectations. Then while you decide, before deciding, you have to determine what kind of event elements आपके event में आप क्या-क्या include करोगे. What are the components that will go into the event for creating the desired experience? Now you try to visualize how all these event components fit together. So all this you can do when you brainstorm with your team and then come up with something. Then you design the strategy for implementation. Select the best products and providers available and affordable. And finally, monitor and deliver the event experience. So in a nutshell, you're trying to understand the expectations of the customer, develop the concepts, what kind of event you're going to build, what kind of event you're going to execute, and then you generate the right and desired event experience. So this is all about today.